Hello beautiful people, in this video I cannot wait to show you something new. Let's check it out and unboxing what is inside. I think this is from Madam Glam. So, yep. Hurry up, hurry up. It's kind of surprised because I don't know what is inside. I mean, what colors inside. So, it's exciting more. Wow. So glam. It's a Madam Glam New York. I have two package here. Let's check it out. How is inside? So this is Madam Glam New York is vegan and cruelty free. It means not tested on animals. Palm oil free. 21 free formula. Also HEMA free. You are on board for amazing VIP Manicures. Yes, indeed. Let's show you this. It's red and express-on nail. This is, oh, look at that. Gorgeous. It's leopard. I'm gonna show you like this. All right. Oh, isn't it cute? So cute. And oh gosh, lovely. What a perfect colors. Oh, I love it. So I told them just for me, you know, surprise me with your whatever you pick. So and here we are. It's just perfect color. I love it. I love them all. All this color is amazing color. All is my favorite. However, I have to choose, you know, so I choose this one definitely. And oh, okay, I will go with this. So let's do it. Okay, let's open this one. We'll clean out in a minute. So the inside is like this, and ooh, and also different sizes here. I'm going to choose first the sizes for my nails. I'm gonna pour all of these to here, so make it easier to choose which nails I'm gonna choose. My nails is pretty much small, so you know. And they said it's better smaller from your original nails, from your natural nails, like that. Oh, they're just so cute. I'm thinking, can I mix them up? I changed my mind. I will mix them up. I'm gonna pour in everything, so easier for me to choose which one is fit on my nails. Ready? So in their package, it's already come out with this wooden stick and this is the adhesive tab. So I'm gonna just make little structure here on my nails to make it not too slick when I put the adhesive tab. Now time to choose. There you go. All right. This is for the left hand, and now the right hand. Alrighty, ready now. Now to choose the adhesive tab, it's easier when you choose smaller than your natural nails. Okay, take this off. I'm gonna choose this. Just like that. There you go. Just press smoothly. Now peel off. There you go. Now this one is red. With 45 degrees angle. Look how pretty. And strong too. Now it's right hand. Should choose the smallest for my pinky. There you go. Why I'm whispering? Just have fun, right? Should press smoothly. Okay, get this baby pink. 45 degrees, and then press in the middle. Pretty. I like it to like rubbing it, so I thought it's more even, not just brush it, because even though this is a nail press on, but yeah, gonna rub it, yeah, and I'm gonna put these pretty colors. Voila! This is kind of fun, super fun, you know? You can play around with your nails. Last one, guys. Alrighty. Yay! Finish. Look at my new nails. How you like it? 1 to 10, how you like it? So if you're in a hurry on a special occasion and you need your nail done, this Madam Glam exPRESS-ON, Madam Glam from New York exPRESS-ON nails, just your lifesaver, really. And they have lots of choices. You just choose which one you like, and yeah, and it's only, you see yourself, only take a couple of minutes, then it's done, and then you will look fabulous and glam all the time. I am highly recommended this exPRESS-ON Madam Glam New York. So yeah, if you're interested, I will put the link down below. I hope this is useful for you guys, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you very soon. Love you.